Here's a 60-watt bulb, 120-volt line to the live AC wire here. These are some lighting systems I picked up, outdoor lighting systems, just on the side of the road. Someone left there. No reason why they needed to. These things are still working, and yeah, hooked up to the bare wire directly. And we have a very bright 60-watt bulb. And after just cleaning out the systems and rummaging around, this is the first test. I doubt that this one's going to work because it's in rougher shape. But we'll see. We got some cool lighting systems here. Awesome. Here we have our second test with the live AC wire hooked up to the AC outlet bar. I thought this wasn't actually going to work. I thought this one was going to fail, if not only dim slightly and then crap out, but this one's looking great too. And we also have our protection case from bugs and weather elements.